What is up, YouTube? I got the greatest tutorial for you. My friend made this today and brought it to class. I put this in this mixer, this like measuring cup, because I didn't want to store it in the jar because he needed them back. So I'm going to give it back to him tomorrow. But look, boom, homemade whipping cream. So I'm going to try it on camera. Haven't tried this yet. Look at this. That looks so good. I'm going to make some with my mom, except we're going to make keto friendly because she's on a diet. Which basically is just heavy whipping cream for the one I'm going to make with my mom. But my friend, here's what he used. He used, what was it? We have it, heavy whipping cream and then sugar. So basically what you do is you pour he told us all the ingredients and the steps because he had to. So, or else he wouldn't get extra credit points and all that. So what you do, my mom has this, or you can just use an original one. This one my mom used for coffee, but it's like a mixer. Or you can use just a homemade one. And this is what I'm gonna probably use to make some stuff with my mom. And then you pour the condensed milk, you mix that until it's like a heavy consistency. Then you pour in the sugar. And then it should look like this as the final result. Thick. If it's too gritty, so just add little bits at a time. And once it starts to get solid, taste it to your liking. Mine was too gritty. Not mine, sorry. My friend said his was too gritty to start off with. Sorry guys, I'm thinking I made this, but I didn't. So my friend said to add little bits at a time, because he did it with just he just did it eyeballing it, and it tasted too gritty, so he had to add more condensed milk. So do it little bits at a time for the taste test. One more time, didn't. I'm gonna put it back in the freezer real quick. And it was like the best whipping cream I've ever tasted. I'm gonna say thank you to my friend tomorrow. I already did, but I'm gonna double thank him. So this is Aiden McCarthy in my new house. I'm gonna give you a house tour in this video too. The kitchen / laundry room. There's laundry right there. Becoming this, we got a little black space. Boom. Living room. Back here, we got a backyard for Mrs. Dandy's. We got our kitchen, and then upstairs are the rooms. So we got my mom's room, one bathroom, my brother's room. I got two. Colin sleeps on the little bunk bed. Then my brother sleeps on the futon. And then my room, it's kind of a mess, but so, and one more thing. This right here, I got this yesterday. Hold on, there's better lighting in the bathroom. Got this yesterday. It's a butterfly knife pen. Then it's a space pen, Fisher space pen. So this is Aiden McCarthy, 3126, signing off of that YouTubes. Okay, bye guys.